Okay, so we have the question under variations. So we have, it is given that y varies directly as 2x and inversely as z to the power 2, and y equals to 4 when x equals to 8 and z equals to 2. Okay, so the first question is, we want to find the value of k, the constant of variation. So how do we find the value of k? So we first have to come up with a structure on how we are going to arrange this that varies either directly or inversely as y. Okay, so our formula will be y varies. So this is a symbol to represent that it varies. So we are saying it is given that y varies directly as 2x. So 2x will be on top here, over and inversely as z squared. So the z will be here. So this is basically what you needed to come up with first. So now that you have this, you can now write the equation. So the equation will be y equals to k. So you can just put the k at the far end. So you can say 2kx over z squared. Okay, so that's what you're going to have. So you want to find the value of k, that is this k here, that's the constant. Okay, but then the idea here is for us to find the value of k, then they should give us the value of z, the value of x, and the value of y, of which those values they've been given in the question. They're actually in the question. So what do? We just need to replace. So y, okay, let me just use a different one. So y will be equal to not just y, you can put the value of y here, which is 4. So 4 will be equal to, where there is 2 we write the 2, where there is k we put k, then where there is x we put the value of x, which is 8. Okay, over, then now where there is z we put the value of z, which is 2. So this is going to be 2 squared. Now this will actually be equal to, oh, this is not coming from up to that side, it's just this side. Okay, so this is now okay. So now we bring down the 4, so the 4 will be here. Then this side we can try to simplify. 8 times 2 give us 16, so 16k over 2 times 2, which is just going to give us 4. This is over 1. Here we can actually cross multiply. Okay, we can do it like that. So we'll have 16k, which will equal to 16. Then divide by 16, divide by 16, and cancel out the 16. So this will equal to 1. So the value of k, which is the constant, is 1. Okay, so the value of k, the constant, is what? Is 1. Now let's keep that answer. Let me write the second question. So the value of k, I'll just write it somewhere. Okay, let me write it maybe even on top here. We can write it here. Say k equals to what? 1. Okay, then let's go to the next question. What will be the value of y when x equals to 27 and z equals to 3? So we'll use the same formula. So we are going to say y, and this is not working. So we're going to say y equals to 2kx over z squared. So we want to find the value of y, so we'll bring down y. 2, what's the value of k? 1. Okay, from there, the first question we solved. And then what's the value of x? 27. Then over, what's the value of z? 3, which will give us 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So y will be equal to 27 times 2. So 2 times 7, that's 14. So you can write 4. Remainder 1, 5. So that's 54 over 9. So here we can divide. How many times does 9 go into 54? How many times does 9 go into 54? It goes there 6 times. So the value of y will be 6 when x equals to 27 and z equals to 3. Okay, so that's basically what you need to do there. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and follow for more.